Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit a Framer portfolio template step by step. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. Now, if you don't have a Framer account yet, you can just use my affiliate link in the description. I will get a small commission at no extra cost to you, and you might also get some rewards or discounts depending on the latest offer. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on framer.com. Afterwards, you just have to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now, when you log in, you are going to see this type of dashboard in front of you, where you just have to open your portfolio project which you want to add it. Now, if you are using any kind of template, you just have to simply click on that particular template, and then what this is going to do is it is going to open your file or your portfolio project in the Framer editor. So in it you can start customizing your website. So as you can see over here, I've opened this particular portfolio template for myself. So I'm going to basically show you how you can edit it one by one. So here we have this first section, and we are going to start with this hero section. So when you click on the hero section, you just have to hover over to the top and click on the option of the layer panel. So in this particular panel, you are going to see the hero section. When you select the hero section, you can basically make changes into the title text, the description text, the call to action buttons, and the hero images. So you can click on any one of the sections and that particular section will be selected over here. Now, if you want to change the text element, you just have to basically double click on the section, and then you can either look for the content panel in the right hand section, and then you can make changes into the text, or you can just directly double click on it and start making changes into it. So this way you can basically edit the text. Now, in order to change the button, you just have to select the button which is available here on the home page. So here we have two buttons available, the Learn Now and this Experience button. After selecting it, on the top right hand corner of the screen, you will see the option of Linked To. So here you can add your portfolio link, the contact page, and the project link. So if the hero section includes an images, you just have to simply click on the image and then you can replace it with your own. Now, in order to edit the navigation bar, you just have to double click on the navigation bar. Here, after clicking on it once again, it is going to show you this type of nav bar component in front of you. So inside this particular component, you can edit bunch of different things, like you can edit your logo. So click on the logo, and here you can see the type of your logo that basically it is showing you. So you can replace the logo by double clicking on it and then uploading your own image. Afterwards, we have these texts available, so you can double click on it and you can basically change the text. Here we also have this little icons available. You can double click on it and then you can make changes into it as well. So if you want to edit any of the pages available on your project, you just have to simply go to the pages section. Over here in the pages section, when you click on the home page, it is going to show you the list of all of the pages which you can basically customize from the list. So since the template that I have selected has only one page available, that's why it's showing me only the home page. But in your case, if there are a bunch of different pages available, you can click on any one of the pages which you want to basically customize. For example, let's say here we have the features page. So if I click on the option of features or FAQ page, you can basically start editing the information available on that page. If it is the about section, you can add your bio, skills, work experience, and your achievements. Now, some of the portfolio templates use the CMS collections. So in order to edit this, simply click on the option of the CMS option here on the top. After clicking on it, it is going to show you the collections like the blog posts, the projects, the categories, and the authors. So if you want to make changes into it, simply select the collection item, and this is going to open the CMS editor in front of you. So over here you can start updating the title, the description, the slug, the testimonial, and then you can also make changes into the image. So that's how you can basically edit the CMS content. Now, if you want to customize your components, that too is also possible. For that, you need to come here inside your editor, then click on the option of assets. Over here in the assets, we have the components option. So in it, click on the option of the projects. Now it is going to show you all of the components which are basically available or included in your template. So you can click on any one of these and then you can start customizing it in your own way. So that's how you can edit a Framer portfolio template step by step. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.